Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. Three relations are shown. Relation A is the set of ordered pairs, -1, 4, 0, 2, 1, 0, 2, 2, and 3, 4. Relation B is a graph showing points at -2, 1, -1, 3, 0, 2, 1, 3, and 2, 1. Relation C is the equation x squared plus y equals 9. Part A. For relation A, determine if it is a function by checking if each input has exactly one output. Part B. For relation B, apply the vertical line test to determine if it represents a function. Part C. For relation C, solve for y and explain whether y is a function of x. Now let us work through the solutions step by step. Before we analyze each relation, let's review the key idea. A function requires that every input x maps to exactly one output y. No x value can have two different y values. On a graph, we use the vertical line test. If any vertical line hits the graph more than once, it fails the test and is not a function. Relation A is given as a set of 5 ordered pairs. Let's organize them in a table. The inputs are -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Each input appears only one time, so no x value is repeated. Now we check whether any input is repeated with a different output. -1 gives 4, 0 gives 2, 1 gives 0, 2 gives 2, and 3 gives 4. No x value appears twice with a different y. Two different inputs can share the same output. That is perfectly fine for a function. Since every input has exactly one output, relation A is a function. Relation B is shown as a graph with 5 individual points. We can see their coordinates plotted on the coordinate plane. -2, 1, -1, 3, 0, 2, 1, 3, and 2, 1. Applying the vertical line test, we sweep a vertical line across all 5 x values. At every x value, -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2, the vertical line hits exactly one point. No x value is shared by 2 points. So relation B passes the vertical line test and is a function. Relation C is the equation x squared plus y equals 9. To determine whether y is a function of x, we first solve for y. Subtracting x squared from both sides gives y equals 9 minus x squared. For any value of x, this formula produces exactly one value of y. Let's test several values. When x is 0, y equals 9. When x is 1 or -1, y equals 8. Two different inputs share the same output, but that is allowed. When x is 3 or -3, y equals 0. In every case, each x value produces exactly one y value. Therefore, y is a function of x written as y equals 9 minus x squared. To summarize, all three relations are functions. Relation A was checked by verifying no x value appeared twice with a different output in the set of ordered pairs. Relation B was checked using the vertical line test on the plotted points. Relation C was solved for y to get y equals 9 minus x squared, which gives exactly one output for every input. The key principle is the same in all three cases: one input, one output. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.